Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Uniswap Wallet. So to get started with the breakdown and analysis about this platform, Uniswap Wallet is non-custodial multi-chain crypto wallet designed by creators of the Uniswap exchange. It offers a smooth experience for swapping token, buying cryptos with fiat, and exploring DFI direct in-app with features like MEV protection, human-readable wallet names, and support for major EVM chain. It's great for users who want fast, secure, and decentralized access to Web3. However, as a self-custodial wallet, your private key and the recovery phrase are entirely your responsibility. Losing them means losing access to all your assets. While the wallet is published and polished on open source, it's still tied closely to Uniswap ecosystem. So if you are exploring non-EVM chain, options may be limited. So in short, if you are active in DFI and comfortable with managing your own key phrase, Uniswap Wallet is a smart, user-friendly pick in 2025. Just stay alert when back up your seed securely, and that's it.